Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. In this video, I wanted to highlight some of the email notifications. We see some users asking the question, I'm getting an email when students cancel their subscription, I'm getting an email when users purchase or enroll into my course, and how can I turn off these emails? So I wanted to make a quick video highlighting that. If you head to the WordPress admin under LifterLMS settings, and then we'll head to notifications up here at the top. For the specific emails, subscription cancellation, near the bottom here, if I click on email, I can see the message of the email and I can also see the subscribers. If I go ahead and uncheck the author and save, now no users will receive this email. Currently, the course author will receive an email if a student cancels a subscription to their course or membership, but if I uncheck this box and save, no one will receive an email about that. And the same applies to any of these emails here. We do have another video and documentation on a deep dive on LifterLMS notifications, but this is just a quick video highlighting a specific FAQ. And so the other email we get a common question about is the purchase receipt. If I head to email there, this is sent to both the instructor and the student, as you see on the subscribers here. But if you have a lot of students enrolling into courses and you don't want to receive that email yourself as the course author, make sure to just uncheck that box, save changes, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, LifterLMS settings, notifications is where you can go to find all of the email notifications. And these basic notifications are pop-ups. When these actions happen, a little pop-up in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, which you may have seen. But all those emails and pop-ups can be seen under here. My name is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.